In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the area of a figure. So if we have a problem like this that says find the area of the figure, and we have kind of a strange looking shape here. So we're going to figure out how exactly to find the area of a shape like this. So the area of a rectangle is equal to its length times its width. We learned that in another lesson, and if you look in the description, I have a link there to that video if you need it. So what we could do here is cut up this shape into two separate rectangles. So I'm going to put an imaginary line here, and we have rectangle A and rectangle B. The total area of the figure then is going to be area A plus area B. So when we find this area, we add it to this area, and that's going to give us the total area. So area A equals 7 times 1. The length and the width of this rectangle is 7, that's the length, and 1 is the width. So if we multiply 7 times 1, that's going to give us the area of rectangle A. So 7 times 1 is 7 centimeters squared. So for B, we do the same thing. So we find out where the length and the width are for rectangle B. The length of rectangle B is 4 and the width is 3. So if we multiply 4 times 3, that equals 12. So finally, the total area of the figure equals 7 plus 12 because we add area A plus area B. So that equals 19 centimeters squared. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry, practice makes improvement. Anyone can do math. You just have to maybe watch the video again. Also, like I said, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along the ebook, this exact lesson, as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.